Imagine the Earth simply stopped spinning. Not the orbit around the sun, just the daily rotation. The ground under your feet would stop, but you, the air, the oceans, and almost everything loose would try to keep moving. That is the nasty part. We do not feel Earth's spin because everything near us is already moving with it, like passengers on a smooth train. If the train slams the brakes, the passengers keep going. So the real question is not, would people notice? The question is, what hits first? The wind, the water, the heat, or the new map? Stay with the spin because each answer gets worse. First, the trick. Standing still is not really still. At the equator, Earth's surface is sweeping east at roughly 1,000 miles per hour. You do not feel a hurricane on your face because the air is mostly moving along with you. That hidden speed is why an instant stop is not small. It borrows the whole planet's momentum at once. A building, a tree, your coffee, and your eyebrows all share that sideways speed. It is boring only because everything agrees. Physics loves agreements. Disasters begin when one part quits the agreement. This is inertia. Moving things keep moving unless something stops them. A gentle slowdown is survivable. An instant stop is like yanking a tablecloth, except the dishes are continents. If Earth froze its rotation in one magical snap, the land would be forced to stop, but loose objects would still carry their old eastward speed. That means the first disaster is not space. It is sideways motion. Near the equator, loose things would be thrown east faster than a passenger jet. Farther north or south, the speed is lower but still enormous. The poles are the calmest spots, and calm is doing a lot of work there. So this is not one uniform crash. It is a gradient. The equator gets the wildest sideways shove, the poles get the least, and everything between gets a different version of the same bad news. Now freeze the ground and watch what refuses to freeze. The atmosphere would still be sliding east. Compared with the stopped ground, that becomes planet-scale wind. Not a windy day, more like the sky becoming a moving wall. A normal storm pushes air because pressure is different from place to place. This would be stranger. The whole lower atmosphere keeps its old speed while the surface suddenly becomes a brake pad. Like trying to stop a ceiling fan by grabbing the room instead of the blades. Air would slam into terrain, buildings, forests, and mountains. The first safe-looking valley would still have a problem. The atmosphere is trying to sandblast the planet smooth. Then the oceans join the argument. Water also has inertia. If the seafloor stops but the ocean above it keeps moving, coastlines do not get waves. They get moving walls of water. Continents are not smooth bowls. They are full of shelves, cliffs, bays, and mountain chains. Water would pile, crash, reflect, and rush inland. The map would redraw itself very loudly. This is not one neat movie tsunami. It is more like every ocean trying to keep an appointment the solid Earth just canceled. Waves would rebound for a long time. The best first-minute odds would be far from the equator, far from coasts, and behind serious terrain. That is not a survival guide. It is just physics admitting the poles got the least awful ticket. Even there, supplies, heat, air, and shelter would matter within hours. After the first violence, the strangest problem is time. If Earth stopped rotating but still orbited the sun would crawl across the sky because of the yearly orbit. One daylight period could last for months, followed by months of night. Months of sunlight would cook the bright side. Land heats quickly, water stores heat, and air starts moving because hot air expands. Weather becomes less like daily forecast and more like planetary plumbing. Plants do not politely photosynthesize under a months-long heat lamp. They bake, dry, or shift. Meanwhile, the dark side cools for months. Water freezes, air gets denser, and heat tries to travel from the bright half to the frozen half. The atmosphere becomes the planet's overloaded delivery truck. Your calendar would stop matching your body. Sleep, crops, storms, travel, even shadows would change. A normal day would be gone, like someone replaced your alarm clock with a slow-moving lighthouse. Sunrise would not be a daily reset, it would be an event. You could spend weeks approaching morning, weeks under high sun, and weeks sliding into evening, romantic until the food system notices. So after the crash, the planet does not become quiet. It becomes a world where heat has too much time to build up, cold has too much time to deepen, and weather has too much work. Then Earth slowly changes shape and the oceans follow. Because Earth spins, it is not a perfect sphere. It bulges a little at the equator. Stop the spin, and over time that bulge is no longer supported in the same way. Water responds to gravity, shape, and rotation. Without the old spin pattern, sea level would not stay familiar. Huge amounts of ocean could migrate toward polar basins, exposing some places and drowning others. Lowlands that felt permanent would discover they were only permanent under the old spin. Old coastlines would become bad guesses. Ports could become inland scars. New seas could swallow low regions. It is not just water going somewhere else. It is every human plan meeting a new planet. Air would also redistribute. Hot, bright regions, cold, dark regions, new seas, and changed terrain create pressure patterns unlike today's. Imagine the weather map got shuffled while the meteorologists were still holding the old one. Could life survive somewhere? Maybe eventually in pockets. Deep oceans, underground systems, and engineered shelters would have better odds than open land. But ecosystems built for normal days would be hammered. So a non-spinning Earth is not simply today's Earth with a broken spinny feature. It is a different machine. Different seas, different winds, different clocks, and a very different idea of home. But what if Earth did not stop instantly? In real life, Earth is already slowing down, but extremely slowly. The moon raises tides, tides rub against Earth, and that friction steals a tiny bit of spin. It is the world's most patient brake pedal. The punchline is that the moon is not evil. It is just gravity doing paperwork for billions of years. This does not mean tomorrow is ruined. The change is measured over huge timescales. Days get longer by tiny amounts, not by your lunch break suddenly moving to next Thursday. If days became much longer gradually, life and climate would still struggle, but the disaster would not start with the atmosphere smashing sideways. Slow change gives systems some time to move, fail, or adapt. That difference matters. Sudden stop is a hammer. Slow change is a weird homework assignment handed to biology, weather, and civilization. Still awful, but not the same category. Even a slower world would have strange circulation. The familiar spin helps organize winds and storms. Remove it, and weather loses one of its steering wheels. One thing to be careful about: Earth's magnetic field is not just a spinning shell trick. It comes from moving liquid metal deep inside. Rotation matters, but stopping the surface is not a simple off switch. So what could stop a planet? An instant stop needs magic level force. In the real universe, giant impacts and tidal forces can change rotation, but not like someone clicking a pause button on a video. The mistake is thinking rotation is decoration. It is not. Rotation shapes weather, days, sea level, launch paths, calendars, and the way moving things behave near the surface. It is like removing a drummer from a marching band and expecting everyone to keep the same pattern. That is why this what if is useful. It shows how much of normal life depends on motion you cannot feel. The calm ground is not motionless. It is just sharing the ride. Right now, you can sit in a chair and feel still while Earth rotates, orbits the sun, and moves through the galaxy. Your body calls that normal because everything nearby agrees. So the answer is brutal but simple. Earth stopping is not dangerous because space gets weird. It is dangerous because everyday stillness is a team project, and the team suddenly stops agreeing. That is the real twist. Stillness was never free. It was synchronized. So yes, please let Earth keep spinning. It is carrying the air, the ocean, and your morning coffee in one quiet agreement. Subscribe and like for more doodled explanations.